Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate a double knee tuck stretch. Those of you who have back pain, your therapist may have recommended this stretch as part of your routine. So you lay down flat, like this here, and as the name suggests, you're tucking both knees towards the chest, like this. Grab the shins, pull it towards you. You should start to feel a bit of a stretch in the lower back. Initially, what you don't do is lift the head as well. Normally for beginners, we will not recommend this maneuver. Just keep the head flat, pull the knees towards you. Do not bounce in this fashion. Tuck, or like this, if this is more comfortable for you. If you're a large person and you're unable to grab the shins, what you may want to do is grab here instead. You can lock, or you can grab like this. Pull. Again, you're going to feel that stretch in the lower back, not bouncing, not doing this at this point in time. Also, your therapist alternatively may have suggested a single knee tuck stretch. It can be done with the non-working leg bent or extended, but basically it's, like the name suggests, single knee tuck stretch, like this, or like this, depending. A more intense stretch would actually have the non-working leg straight out, like this, or like this. Again, there's no bouncing, but now there's no lifting the head like this. Okay, so that's your double knee tuck stretch and single knee tuck stretch.